What's going on, man? It's your big brother Trend. You tuned in once again to another exclusive video. Don't nothing happen by mistake. Everything happens for a reason. Okay, so I'm about to give y'all some signs in this video to let you know if you about to blow up. You might be about to blow up in your life for whatever you do, all right? If you about to blow up, you gonna know after this video, all right? Some of y'all probably blow up, this month, or you might blow up next month. Some of y'all gonna blow up this year, okay? But if you get some of these signs right, at least two, then your chances are that you are about to blow up, just like how you think that you are. Me personally, I remember I blew up on YouTube. It was like an overnight thing. I just was doing YouTube like everybody else. And then one night I went to sleep. All through the night, I heard my phone going off, like the hotline bling, like bing, 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 every second. And I thought, I thought somebody was just playing games with me or something until I looked at it and I seen, like two of my videos went viral. And I'm like, what? That's crazy. And for like that whole month, all my money increased, all my subscribers had increased, and I had like a whole lot of subscribers like overnight. So I done experienced it a few times. So I know exactly what I was feeling at that time. And I know some other people who I'm friends with who I blew up. And we talked about our experiences. And it's kind of like the similar signs. All right. So I'm going to give you some signs in this video, probably 5 signs. If not, I'm going to give you 6 or 7 signs in this video that's going to confirm whether or not whatever it is that you're doing, that you're about to blow up. All right. Now, one thing you got to understand about blowing up, folks, is it's unexpected. You can't plan blowing up. Only thing you can look for is the signs that you have in your life. And I'm about to tell you those signs. Most people that blow up, like me, like your hottest music artist, it happens overnight. Like it happened overnight. You didn't know the person at one point, and then all of a sudden you on the scene just like that. That's how it happens. It happens overnight. Overnight celebrity. All right. So listen close, stay tuned to the end of this video. If this video resonates with you, do not forget to hit that subscribe button, man. It's your big bro Trend. Now, here's the first sign that you're about to blow up. The first sign that you're about to blow up is if you got a lot of anxiety, all right? If you know deep down inside you special, or whatever it is that you do it better than everybody else, or you might have this dream or something that you've been chasing for like all your life, right? And you kind of live it, you eat it, you breathe it. It's inside of you. It's a part of you. It has become your life to the point that it's giving you anxiety because you're starting to realize like people know you when you go places. People starting to recognize you. Your dream is like taking over your inner being, and you starting to get like this anxiety. You starting to feel a little bit nervous. Maybe you go outside and you feel a little bit scared, a little standoff from people and stuff like that. Like you probably be thinking like, man, I hope this person is not dangerous. Like when you come around new people, you feel like insecure or like because you got that dream that you about to blow up in. If you feel like that, that's the universe letting you know right there, like something big is about to break. You know what I mean? It's just like a woman that's about to have a baby. She go through birth pains. Then her water break, then somebody running her to the hospital, the contractions get worse and worse. It's the same way when you about to blow up. If you feeling this nervousness, you intimidated to hang around people, you scared to hang around certain people. If the energy ain't right in the room, you leaving. That's a sign right there that something big is about to happen in your life. You about to blow up anytime soon, okay? Now, the second sign that you about to blow up or you going to blow up is if you answer God's call. And I always say that to people, like, did you answer the call that God gave you in order to fulfill your dream? Fun thing, you got to understand about purpose and vision. God called everybody to fulfill their purpose and their vision. It's just that some people answer the call and they go after what they want. And some people just sit back and say, nah, I don't feel like doing it right now. So if you can remember when you answered your call and you live in your calling right now or your vision, then that's a sign that you for sure, it's inevitable, it's gonna happen. It could be tonight, it could be tomorrow. God is gonna make it come to pass because you answered the call. Many are called, but chosen a few. And if you answer that call, then you the few. All right. And so you chosen now. It's going to happen. You're going to blow up anytime soon now. All right. The next sign that you're going to blow up is if you are very, very resilient. You resilient. That's the word. If you very resilient and you the type of person that you don't let life beat you up. You just keep getting back up and going. Anytime you get down, you might stay down for a little bit, maybe a day, but you get back up and you keep going. You know what I'm saying? You motivated. You resilient. You know, you just keep going forward. No matter what happens, no matter who turns you down, no matter who don't give you the chance or the big shot, you just keep going forward. That you gonna get there. It's gonna happen for you. You know, it's gonna happen for you because that's what God really trying to get you to do. He just testing you. He just want to see how strong your faith is. And if you've been working towards your dream for all this long time and you've been taking care of your business and handling it the best way you can, you better go ahead and get ready to blow up. Your life can change anytime soon. You know? So that's another sign that you about to blow up anytime soon is like you don't let life get you down. You know what I'm saying? You just keep going. You will not be stopped. You like a turning wheel. All right. The next sign that you gonna become successful or blow up overnight is if you got a special gift. Do you have a special gift or some special talent and you doing that talent? If you have a very special gift, all right, then you will blow up. All right. Your gift will make way for you. All right. If you do it and practice it and exercise, that's the only way it's going to help you blow up. If you doing your gift, whatever you do, I don't care if you wash cars. I don't care if you clean shoes. I don't care if you a boss at a business place and you trying to work your way up to CEO. You going to get there. You going to blow up. All right. Because you got something special. You got a special gift and don't nobody have your gift. And you know who you are if you have a special gift. All right. The next sign that you're going to blow up overnight or anytime soon is if you have an extremely powerful work ethic. You got a really good work ethic. And I'm not talking about getting up, going to the job and doing something you don't like to do. I'm talking about doing your gift, doing what you was called to do. If you got a really strong work ethic, like you love to get things done, you are very productive, you do not like to rest. Anytime you feel like you wasting time, you always have to keep your hands busy, you know, because you know idle hands are the devil's workshop, okay? You understand these things. So if you got like really strong, powerful ambition, whether you a woman or a man, and you just always feel like you gotta be something, you know, you gotta be doing something with yourself, you gonna blow up. All right, you gonna blow up. You basically being led to the destination. Anytime you feel like you gotta produce something, you know, or you gotta get your numbers up or whatever you're trying to do with your career. Anytime you feel like that constantly, all the time, like impeccable, you gonna blow up. All right. It's like the navigation system in your spirit is leading you to the destination, and you're gonna get there. All right. It might be tomorrow, it might be next week, it might be this year, but it's taking you right to where you need to be, and you will blow up overnight. All right. Another sign that I can remember that you're about to blow up is people are naturally attracted to you. Do people naturally attract to you everywhere you go? It don't matter where you go. It don't matter where you go, man. You go to New York, New Hampshire, Texas, Louisiana. If you the type of person that can go anywhere and be the elephant in the room, you're going to blow up because it was meant to be. Are you the type of person that everywhere you go, people just look at you and they just wonder who you are? You just see, you walk into a place, you see everybody head just take a look at you. And you just like, what? I'm stopping the traffic? You stop traffic. You know what I mean? You stop the whole vibe in the whole room. You know what I'm saying? You're going to blow up. That's how people treat celebrities. Soon as a celebrity or somebody iconic or somebody famous or somebody big time come in the room, that's what everybody do. They stop and look and admire, you know, and they try to figure out who you are and stuff like that, because it's all in your energy. A person that's about to blow up, they don't have to try to do it. It's like already in them. It was already instilled inside you. That's why if you go places and stuff and you like the life of the party, you know, and people are naturally attracted to you everywhere you go, they just want to come to get next to you. It's like you got to duck and dodge people. You know, it's like you got to kind of like hide it, you know, because the energy that's on you, your vibration that's on you, it exuberates success. All right. And people can feel that. They can sense that you are somebody great or you are somebody special, but sometimes they don't even know who it is. They won't know who you is right away because they probably haven't seen you on TV. They ain't seen you in a movie yet. They ain't seen you with your own business yet or something like that. They ain't seen you on a big platform or nothing like that yet, but it don't matter. The energy that they feel coming off of you, why you think they treat you like that already before you even get there? Because they, in the back of their mind, they thinking the same thing too. You're going to be famous or you're going to be big. So that's why people like to try to get in your face all the time, or, you know, they're trying to get in your business and trying to figure you out. It's because, you know, they can sense it. Success is like cologne or perfume. People can smell it from a mile away. So these are the signs, man. These are some of the signs that I can remember if you about to blow up real soon or anytime soon, all right? So if one of these signs resonated with you in this video, I need you to speak up. Let us know. Don't be afraid. We're not going to bite you, all right? We're not the Decepticons that you have to duck and dodge when you go out here into the public, all right? Speak up. Let your voice be heard. Leave a comment below. Did you get all 5 of them? Or did you get 2 of them? All right. Speak up, let your voice be heard. Leave a comment below. It's your big bro Trend. Listen, make sure you subscribe if this video resonated with you, because I want you to watch some more videos after this. That's going to be at the bottom in the comment section. That's going to confirm whether or not you really going to blow up. Okay. So I'm going to put like 2 or 3 videos at the bottom in the comment section that's going to confirm even more that you about to blow up. Also, I got these 2 documents in my email that's super powerful. I got them this morning, all right? And it's for all successful people to know. If you about to blow up and be successful, it's like some super powerful information that you probably gonna need in order to thrive in the life that you're about to be living as a successful person, okay? So hit me up in the email and I'm gonna hook you up. I'm gonna send you an automated message and I'm gonna hook you up with these 2 documents, and you just gonna thank me later, all right? These are the 5 signs that you about to blow up overnight or anytime soon. It's your big bro Trend, man. Make sure you subscribe. Peace.